several reports of hoarding, black marketing, and all manufacturers have been now asked to display on their website status of the total production and supplies. Abhishek, tell us more. This is a big development.
Well, yes, Niranjan, the Government of India, the Ministry of Health has decided, I think through the Ministry of Health, but the centre has decided that injection remdesivir, reports of which were coming in from across the states that they are in short supply, the export of this medicine and its related APIs, which is active pharmaceutical ingredients, has been stopped. And the reason is there was constraint on supply. The government has gathered, Department of Pharmaceuticals, that there is overall about 4 million doses capacity in the country with between 7 manufacturers. They all have been asked to stop all exports. They have to daily update the status of production and availability of this injection on their websites. And this medicine, which is important for treatment of COVID-related lung issues, was becoming a subject of concern on its supply side, because we saw long queues both in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh for people trying to get the injections, and then some black marketing happening, and the government was concerned, and hence this decision has been taken, Niranjan, that from tonight itself, all exports of remdesivir or related APIs would stop, and the pharma companies will have to show that how much they are producing and how much stocks they have. Also, the state health secretaries, they will have to review the status of supply and make sure that there is no hoarding or black marketing happening. So detailed guidelines being given by the state.
Stay with me, Abhishek, because I also have, Abhishek, sorry to interrupt you there, just getting a lot of reactions to this big story, because we've been getting reports, Dr. Jailal of the IMA on the phone line. Dr. Jailal, reports were coming in of black marketing, hoarding, shortage. Of course, much of it could also be black marketing, hoarding, and sort of, illegal methods to sort of take it to sort of market it illegally. But what do you make of the government's move? Was this much required, Dr. Jailal?
IMA wholeheartedly welcome the initiative taken by the government at the appropriate time to banning the export of the remdesivir. And it is unfortunate, and even after the learning through a hard lessons in the first wave, if the second wave is started, still the market is flooded with black marketing and inhuman attitudes which is prevailing in the market. And this is the right step taken at the right time by the government to ensure that the remdesivir, which is available for our own people, our own public at the appropriate time. Because at present, we have a lot of positive reports with the remdesivir. This is going to be one of the standardized drug, protocol drugs for the people at the particular stage of the infection. We need to that. And every day we are crossing 1.5 to 1.6 lakhs of people, and the hospitals are now flooded with the people, and it is a good decision. But I will only request the government to enforce it very strictly to the letter and spirit of that, and all the health secretaries of the state to ensure that this is happening and percolated to the lower level also. Because in the district level, it is what is the metropolitan cities, often there are different sources of the supply. But at the lower level, at the village level, it has to be a little more farmers. So thank you very much to government, and we support them in this cause totally.
Thank you very much. Centre prohibiting exports of injection, remdesivir and remdesivir active pharmaceutical ingredients till the COVID situation in the country improves. That's a big breaking update, one that was expected to happen.